Hell yeah, there.
This is gonna be good shit.
This is a little Waylon Jennings for y'all.
Oh yeah, he's dead.
Yeah, I think somebody's died a year or two ago.
Yeah. Him and Elvis moved.
3, 4. Oh, Elvis dead?
Yeah, Elvis been dead for a while.
Elvis and Jackson's living in a trailer in Memphis.
I give it
And
up.
I heard Elvis the other day.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it hurt his feelings, man. Shit.
Go ahead, bring him back. He died at diabetes, didn't
Darryl, why don't you help me, Darryl? Shit, I'm up here all by myself.
he? Darryl.
Like you got
Well, the honky tonks in Texas were my natural second home. Well, you took your hat to the ladies on the roads of San Antonio. Oh. Excuse me. I need to hit this B chord right here. The hill. Can I do that again, too?
Yeah, go ahead. This is live, though. This is live.
This is live?
You fuck up.
Sorry, excuse me. Joe made me drink a beer. I ain't drank a beer in years, and
I know.
I just want to say that he made me drink tonight, and I appreciate him a lot.
Off the wagon.
I'll hit that chord this time. No, B chord right there.
B chord? I'm doing B7.
There it is right there.
There you go.
That's it. Hit it for me now. I'm counting on you. Well, the honky tonks in Texas were my natural second home. Well, you took your hat to the ladies and the roads of San Antonio. Got it? The hill Texas. The hill.
Can I just do bass?
Give me the time right there.
I apologize to everybody at Fort's office. And hey, Skin, I apologize, brother. Joe.
And your daddy's out there.
Yeah, that's what I swear to God. Sorry.
Damn.
Say that to the name and everything.
All right, hang on. Let's see.